The Qumi Q6 is the latest HD LED pocket projector from the series of Vivitech projectors. It's small but so rich in features. Let's see why the Qumi Q6 is the perfect projector for your business. The Qumi Q6 is a thin and lightweight projector, so it fits in any briefcase or backpack. Take it away easily anywhere you go to present or share your ideas. Create a sharp image of 2.3 meter diagonal from a small projector and share your presentations on the big screen. What if you need to share the content from your mobile device quickly? Use Qumi's wireless mirroring function, which works with Android as well as iOS smartphones and tablets. No cables needed, your device is enough. Sharing is not a problem, as you can easily connect through multiple inputs. USB, Wi-Fi, HDMI, choose whatever works best for you. Actually, you don't have to carry a laptop with you to share a presentation. Download your content directly to the Qumi Q6 to show it to your audience. Easily navigate to your content with Qumi's elegant touchpad or its remote control. Just a few buttons will allow you to switch between any options. Qumi may be small, but there will be no compromise in performance. The Vivitech Qumi projector will professionally deliver your message thanks to high-quality image with WXGA resolution, up to 800 lumens of brightness, a 30,000:1 contrast ratio, and bright, colorful images. You can also set the projector at any angle thanks to the tilt-free 360 degrees projection option. Qumi Q6 uses LED technology as light source. This means that it can be instantly switched on and off, it has low power consumption, offers up to 30,000 hours of operation and is lamp-free, making it a smaller, lighter, and more environment-friendly projector. Your Qumi can be exciting too. Choose from 7 elegant colors and match the new Qumi Q6 to your business style and communication. The new Qumi Q6 is a perfect choice for professional use. Take it with you to meetings, make presentations at your client's office, or use ad hoc in any setting where you have some wall space available to project. Qumi Q6 is also a great tool in education to allow small work groups to share their ideas in virtually any location. Just bring a Qumi. Qumi Q6 is a new product in the Qumi series from Vivitech. There's also Q4 for home entertainment, Q5 great for portability, Q6 the new Qumi wireless connectivity, and Q7 Plus a professional projector for a brighter picture. Take your presentations to a new level with a new Qumi Q6. Visit our website for more information.